channel, Slayed by the Bam. I have my little friend over here with me. So I want to do basically a balayage on this wig to kind of give it more dimension, you know, see a little bit of change of color and really like kind of focus on getting the ends lighter and also making like specific highlight pieces in the very front. The color that I'm gonna be doing is red. I kind of want like a wild cherry, kind of like apple candy red. Just to give it a little spice, a little flavor or something, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting tired of just seeing it black. And also this hair is like a kinky straight texture that has a hard time staying like straight after I like put some heat to it. So hopefully the color will help break some of this texture down so it'll be a little more manageable for me. I'm not gonna talk y'all ear off, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna do what I do, you know, and get this wig, you know, styled and colored out and everything. And y'all definitely will get, you know, a couple tips throughout the video showing you how I specifically detailed my balayage for this wig.
So right here, we're gonna use our 40 volume and our quick blue bleach. You want like a toothpaste consistency. Right here, I'm just sectioning off my hair. And right here, I'm taking about a wide section and I'm just feathering the lightener on the surface of the hair. That's basically what a balayage is. You're just feathering across that surface and you want a couple streaks going in there. But you can see me how I'm going back and forth like that. That's making me a blended line. And you want to take a towel and wipe your hands before you go on to the next section. And that's just what I'm doing at the very top. I'm going with that back and forth feather motion to really get it to blend and look like it's growing out the scalp. And also right here where you see me like hold it and then lay it down, that's gonna keep that section from mixing with the bleach on the other section. And right here, I'm just adding my streaks, but also still blending that middle version of it out so it looks very blended and natural. And right here, I'm strategically, you know, placing my highlights in the very front of my hairline. And as you can see, I'm gonna let it sit for probably about, I think I let this sit for maybe like 3 hours, just to get it light enough. And you can see the ends are saturated and you can see all my highlights in the very front, but it's still blended.
So this is what, you know, the first step looks like. Nice, almost like a warm honey blonde color. I like the lighter and darker pieces in it. And I think it's just gonna create a lot more dimension. Even you can see that I focused a lot of highlights here, especially in my parts, because I do like to flip it over and stuff like that, because I like versatility. So now we're just gonna apply the red color on.
So this is the Adore Wild Cherry color that I use. I just saturated every single piece with the red color. I think I needed like 6 bottles of the red hair dye. Just took up a lot of color for me. And also while my hair was processing, I decided to bleach my knots to make it look even more natural. So this is the color. I already put like a deep conditioning treatment in it and everything, so when I flat iron it, it can be really smooth. But first I'm gonna blow dry and stretch out this kinky texture so it gives me a nice silk press. And as you can see, this is the hairline after the knots have been bleached, and this is the texture of the hair after it's been blow dried. I absolutely love it. And you can really see the hairline and you can see how natural it looks. Now, if you see some pink at the root area, after I put makeup on my lace and I put a cap on, I don't see any red on my lace and my partings at all. And right here, I'm just going in with my iron on 410 degrees and I'm just passing it through once through each section and it's getting it bone straight. And I sprayed just a little bit of Got To Be glue sprayed on each section before I press it out to keep it really straight. Now I'm just going in and I'm fixing my baby hairs just to fashion them, and then I will show you guys the end result. Also, if you guys would like to purchase a wig from me, check out my Etsy page, Wig Centric.